Hi everyone, this is Mike with Envision RC, and I've been in this hobby for many years, and I'm not going to get stuck on talking, okay, but there's been a few things that I found difficult in searching for answers to, like strip screws. As I say in most of my videos, a hobby grade RC and a Dremel pretty much go hand in hand. Always use safety glasses. This is an Arrma 2.0, and I'm maintaining it and installing upgrades top to bottom. And I found that I had on the rocker arm, these screws can easily be stripped because of the way that, if you're familiar with any of the Arrmas, the way that they go in and out. Anyway, long story short, okay, on this button head, I dremeled down, as you can see, this far, okay, so I didn't damage the rocker arm, okay, or the bearing behind it. And just take a flathead screwdriver, okay, one that fits in there snug. Now, technically, I put this in my lap, okay, and held on to it when I cracked it, did the original crack, but it did crack. This is a small screwdriver, meaning that if I dremeled it a little wider with a larger head, I could get more of a grip. And if that fails, you could also do another cross for a Phillips head, but I think flathead would be the easiest original attempt, as it had worked excellent for me, as you see here. I would point out that while dremeling it, you pretty much you don't want to widen out the bottom. Okay, it's okay if the top has some give to it, but you want it to be a nice snug fit for the flathead. Looks like I'll have to maybe get some grease in there, WD-40, or degrease, or just apply a little more pressure. Maybe wrap a towel and some channel locks, but I'll get it off. There's no doubt in my mind about that. Now that the screw's off, I just wanted to point out the strip button head fix. Well, if you enjoyed this, please give it thumbs up. I'd also appreciate any comments. If you know other techniques, that would be excellent. Thank you.